Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm back with another sugar box unboxing video for you all. So if you're interested in knowing what all we have in April sugar box, then please keep on watching. Please don't get confused. I know it's May right now, and right now I'm unboxing my April sugar box because I always get my sugar box very late. Like I was supposed to get it in April and I got it around 15th of May or something. So yeah, that's the case. If you watch my previous sugar box, you will know I repeat the same thing in every month because that's exactly what's happening, right? I always get my boxes pretty late. I don't know what's this thing they have, like they have to ship this early, otherwise I don't know, it's very frustrating to keep going to their DMs and keep reminding them to update me about my parcel and stuff. But yeah, I still feel very happy when I receive this because receive the box because they send the cutest thing in the world, and I always fell in love. Like every time I fell in love with my sugar box. This is around my 5th sugar box or something. I will link the sugar box unboxing playlist down below so you can tap on that and see my previous unboxings as well. So without any further blabbering, let's just get straight into this video and let's unbox April sugar box right here. So this is how I received my April sugar box, and when we open this, you see a lot of things right here in the box, so we'll go through them one by one. So let's just start with the first thing I see here, which is this bottle, like sipper bottle. I think they have sent me bottle in every sugar box I have received till now, so I think they might send me in my future sugar boxes as well. So first, have a look at this ombre thing going on this bottle. Like this is a cutest bottle I've seen, and this it says a happy life, luck often comes. That's what it says over here, and it opens up like this. So you just have to press the button over here and it opens up. Now the best part about this bottle is it's like a thermos kind of a bottle, so you can store hot or chilled beverages inside, and it will stay like that for really long period of time. So that's a very good thing. I really like the fact, because right now in corona situation we all are drinking hot water, and this is gonna be a very helpful one for that specific reason. So yeah, that's a very good thing to receive in this month's sugar box. Sorry about the background noises, guys. I tried my level best to ask my parents to turn off the TV volume, but it's just not, it's really loud right now. It's just not helping because they are also bored and I cannot force them to do so. So yeah, let's just ignore those. So this one is the first thing we have in sugar box. Now the next thing I see here is very cute headband as well. I have received one in previous box as well that was in golden color, and this one is pretty broad, and the color is also very nice, and the print and everything looks very summer vibe over here. So you can just I don't think I can wear this right now. Also, did you guys notice the difference? For the first time in my video, I actually did the pony in my hair. So this one is the next product we have in this sugar box, like April sugar box. Now the third thing I see here is this very beautiful neck piece, which is like resin art. Like currently this art is going all over the internet, and you must have seen such different pieces and so many different Instagram pages or something like that. So yeah, the quality definitely looks very good, and it's not one of those cheap quality looking locket and stuff. So this is how the locket looks like. It has this dried flower inside of it, if you can see this properly, and the chain is also pretty long, and it will go very well with all the western outfit and stuff like that. So that's the third thing. Yeah, that's the third thing we have in April's sugar box. Now the next thing I have here is just like any other sugar box. They always send you sweet treat in their box, and I think this time we have like marshmallows, and I think I'm gonna eat one right now only because I'm anyway very hungry. So I'm just gonna eat one. I love marshmallows, by the way, and it's little difficult to find it around where I live, so I'm very happy. I'm very happy to receive this one. I think I'm gonna eat the another one as well. amazing. So next thing I see here is this. Now I don't know exactly what is this, but I'm just assuming that this is a Polaroid stand. So you can just adjust your Polaroid over here. Like you have this clip, so you can adjust your Polaroid photo over here, and you can just use it as a stand. So I think that's exactly what it is. It has this sparkles and everything inside this square thing, so it looks very cute, but I'm not too sure what exactly is this. But I think like 90% I am right, and this is a Polaroid stand only. You can let me know in the comment section below if I'm wrong or this is something else. So that's the next thing we have in April's Sugar Box. Now the next product I see here is this very cute, this organizer tin or something you can call. You can keep anything and everything you want inside of it, and you can put this on your vanity, or you can even use this in your kitchen if you want to store some dry fruits or some candies, or you can use this on the side table to just keep something like sweet things or whatever you want to keep inside. So I'm really happy to receive this one because I love such cute things a lot. So this one is the next thing we have in this month's Sugar Box. Now the second last thing I see here is this very cute pouch which has this flamingo thing in the front and this pom-pom thing on the chain. So yeah, this looks very cute, and it's actually a jute material, so it's almost like a cloth material pouch, and it's just like your normal pouch, and it has this lining inside, which means this can be a waterproof pouch. I'm not sure because yeah, but I think this can be a waterproof only, because this kind of material actually this kind of material is being used in a lot of other waterproof things. So I think this one can be a waterproof pouch. So this one is the second last product we have in April's Sugar Box, which is again very cute and very convenient to use. Like we can never have enough pouches in our vanity. So yeah, this one is the second last product. The last thing I see here is this planner which says planner and my notes over here. So it goes like this, and yeah, it's just like a normal notebook to jot down whatever you want to write down over here. You can write that down. So it's very nice thing that it is a ruled one and it's not a blank paper, because I usually like lines in my notebook so I can write it very well. So yeah, that's the last thing we have, and the print is also very unique and very cool. Like the color combination over here is very unique. So yeah, I absolutely love this one, and just like any other month's Sugar Box, I fell in love with this time as well. And I know I'm gonna get frustrated again. Like this is a cycle. I get frustrated every month because I don't receive my parcel on time, and then when I receive this I get extreme happiness. So that's gonna happen. Like I have 12-month subscription, so you will see whole 12 Sugar Box unboxing videos on my channel. You can definitely check out my previous Sugar Box unboxing as well. I will put it on the description bar below, and I will also link it on the I button over here, so you can definitely go and check those out. So I will also put, like, if you don't check out my description box, let me tell you, I also put the purchase link of the Sugar Box in my description bar below, so you can just click on that and get yourself one if you wish to. So yeah, that was all for today's video. Thank you so much guys for watching. Wait for my next video. Until then, bye bye.